Hello you guys, this is Cool Josh 24 Productions with a Minecraft tutorial video, and today I'm gonna teach you guys on how to make a house with a basement that you could use when you're playing on survival mode, in which you could sleep in the basement for protections from monsters. So let's begin. First, we're gonna build a 6x12 base plate. So we're gonna grab a stone block. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Already got the base plate filled up as well. So now I'm gonna take some part down to make the basement. Okay. Already got the 3x2 part to use to make the bottom, to make the basement, for the stairways. Next, I'm gonna use an oak log to put them on the 4 corner sides each on the base plate. After that, I'm gonna need a oak planks, add an oak log right there between those two. Next, we're gonna add some more oak planks to add windows on there. Next, use a regular glass blocks to make the window. Already add the windows for each 4 of them. So now, let's add the door for the front and back. The door that we're gonna need to use is the oak one. So, got the oak door. So let's add them. Okay. So we got the door for the front and back down. Plus add the blocks on top. Got everything done for the main floor. So now, let's build the basement. So for the bottom height of the basement, I'm gonna need to make it to the height of 9. Alright, already make the bottom height of 9 for the basement. So now, let's begin building it. Okay, already made one part of the basement, which is the stairwell. So now, let's make the inside basement. Before making it, let's add a ladder. Alright, there it is. Let's continue making the inside basement. Okay. Already finished making the basement. All we need to do now is add the roof on top. Before adding the roof on top, I'm gonna add some wooden blocks to cover the top of the window. Okay, already done covering the top of the window. So now, let's cover the top of the house. Already covered the top of the house. As for the final step, let's add the fence to make the backyard. And I'm gonna need a gate as well. So now, let's add the fence. Okay. Already add the fence to make the backyard, plus the gate. Also, there's one extra step you guys could do is add cover for the entrance of the front yard. Hopefully it helps. So now, let's add cover. Okay. Already add the cover for the entrance of the front yard. And we're all done. That's all the instructions I've given to you guys on how to build a house with basement. Hopefully it helps when you're playing on survival mode. So make sure you guys subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications for new videos when it comes out to this channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.